So the map was shown to you. Now we come to the part key, the question. You will write this question. I will remove this. Then the process of unification of Italy I will write here. So first I should remove it from here. Answer. How you will write for the 5 marks question. This question was of 5 marks. So first, this we start with the first is the alliance with France and defeated Austrian Habsburg Empire. Three points I have given. You take the. So here we come. 3 points I have written. I think you have taken a screenshot. One more thing about this, what we say the name, Count Keber. It is MCQ question. Who was the chief minister of this Victor Emmanuel one? 2. One more thing then comes when the 1830s Giuseppe Mazzini's revolution. This is also MCQ. So these are the points related to MCQ. I am removing this. Fourth point comes. So the north came under the control of the Italy. This much part was unified. Then fourth point comes. What is the fourth point? Fourth point, one person was there. How? The last Spain Bourbon kings, this was not under the control of the Italy. So one person with the help of G I am writing, Giuseppe Garibaldi and his आर्म्ड वॉलंटियर्स, मतलब हथियारबंद जो सैनिक थे उसके पास खुद की थी, आर्म्ड वॉलंटियर्स, दे सक्सीडेड टू कन्विंस द एंड पीजेंट्स. तो ये पीजेंट्स को वो लोग क्या किए, पीजेंट्स को कन्विंस किए, समझाए कि आप लोग मदद कीजिए. द southern part not, the Bourbon kings were also defeated. And this is the in the year Giuseppe Garibaldi. I am writing 1860. This was the war took place in 1860, and this is also one more question. When Giuseppe Garibaldi came into force and when 1860. And what we say, the fifth and one more thing is that Count Keber, about which I told you, Count Keber was a wealthy and elite class related person. Wealthy अमीर लोगों से related था, elite class जो aristocratic है, और वो ही स्पोक फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज बेटर देन द इटालियन लैंग्वेज. इटालियन लैंग्वेज से अच्छा बोलता था फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज. और फिफ्थ पॉइंट है वहां के लोग, द पीजेंट्स ऑफ द इटली वेयर नॉट टू मच लिटरेट. वो उस समय इलिटरेट आबादी थी, अशिक्षित लोग थे. एंड दे वर थिंकिंग दैट ला टेलिया दैट क्वीन मींस द वाइफ ऑफ द विक्टर इमानुएल, this was the war for her only. So and lastly in 1861 Italy was united. This is the whole answer. United and Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed as the King of United Italy. So Italian unification done. Then we will come to the next point, but you first take the screenshot. We will go into the strange case of Britain now. This is the turn of the strange case of the Britain. So we start the next topic, 4.2. It is Britain case is very strange. That's why it is written the strange case of Britain. विचित्र केस. और ब्रिटेन का केस इसलिए विचित्र रहा था. दिस इज नॉट द शॉर्ट प्रोसेस. ब्रिटेन का जो प्रोसेस था बहुत लंबा चला हुआ प्रोसेस था. और ये प्रोसेस में क्या था कि दिस वाज नॉट द, इट वाज द लॉन्ग टर्म. इट कैन बी आस्क्ड हाउ द यूनिफिकेशन ऑफ द ब्रिटेन डन. You can write the question. I am speaking. How was the unification of Britain done? The first क्या है कि this was the long drawn process. The Britain's unification was a long drawn process. Britain was divided into different ethnic composition. Area were the Wales, English, that is England. Then comes the Scotland and Ireland. Out of which this Wales was already the part of the England from this is Wales was part of England from 1537 already. Second, what happens? In 1688, Parliament seized the power. एक मिनट हम इंक ले लेते हैं. Seize the power from monarchy. मोनार्की से इन लोगों ने पावर अपने हाथों में पार्लियामेंट ले लिया. एंड they only started the unification of Britain. They wanted to be the England at the center. In 1707, through the Act of Union, Scotland was forcibly, जबरदस्ती, incorporated into England and United Kingdom of Britain was formed. यहाँ हम थोड़ी देर के लिए यहाँ से हटते हैं, तब तक आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए. 3 पॉइंट्स हम बता चुके हैं. इसके आगे हम लोग बढ़ेंगे. कुछ बातें जैसे जो कैथोलिक क्लैंस थे, क्रिश्चियंस में डिवीजन है, कैथोलिक प्रोटेस्टेंट. तो कैथोलिक जो लोग थे हाईलैंड्स पे रखा जाते थे, उनको टेरिबल रिप्रेशन का. दिस विल नॉट बी द पार्ट ऑफ द रिटन आंसर. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ओनली स्पीकिंग. कि दे हैड टू फाइट द टेरिबल रिप्रेशन, मतलब अत्याचार सहना पड़ा उनका। गैलिक लैंग्वेज, GAELIC, गैलिक लैंग्वेज वाज दैट removed, and the the English language was imposed. Then comes the fourth point. This is the, it was called that the Britain's strange case. Why? Because it was the long driven process. In 1707, Act of Union was passed. After about 100 years, this was the is the Ireland. Fourth point, comes the Ireland. Ireland has the population. I am not writing because the part which is necessary I will write. The part which is not necessary I will not write. क्या हुआ यहाँ, कैथोलिक्स और प्रोटेस्टेंट की आबादी थी, तो दे हेल्प द प्रोटेस्टेंट एंड विद दिस कम्युनिटी, दो कम्युनिटी के बीच में आपस में ये लोग टेंशन करवाए, और मेनी पर्सन स्टार्टेड द रिवोल्यूशन अगेंस्ट दैट, आउट ऑफ विच वन वाज द वोल्फटोन. Wolfton did the, I am writing only, you will, lastly I will write in this fourth point. In 1801, the same fate was done. British flag, that is Union Jack. And the British national anthem, God Save the Noble King. You can say this is accepted or ignored. So here the British strange case of Britain finished. Now we come to the next topic, and next topic, मेरा माइक आज धोखा दे रहा है. Last topic is the nationalism versus imperialism. Imperialism होता क्या है? So the topic is, but before that, one is the visualizing the nation. इस समय में क्या हुआ? Visualizing the nation. फ्रेंच आर्टिस्ट आए, जैसे फ्रेडरिक सोरे आए थे, तो उन्होंने ये क्या किया, नेशन को पोर्ट्रे करना शुरू किया, पर्सोनिफाई करना शुरू किया. पर्सोनिफाई मीन्स इनएनिमेट थिंग को एनिमेट थिंग से कंपेयर करना. पर्सोनिफिकेशन, लाइक इन द फ्रांस, मैरियन, हमारे इंडिया में है भारत माता, मैरियन wearing the red cap for the liberty and republic, showing the liberty and republic, wearing a red cap. Red cap is showing the liberty, indicating the liberty. that liberty, and broken chain means गुलामी का प्रतीक को हटाना. and in Germany this was the Germania. The and oak क्या करता है? Oak represents heroism. This is again 1 marks MCQ question. MCQ question. What does the oak represent? ओक बहादुरी का मतलब हीरो बताता है। लास्ट पार्ट हम लोग चले आते हैं। लास्ट पार्ट ये है, as I said, so you can see कि imperialism and nationalism and imperialism। अब लोगों के मन में भाई बातें आ गई कि हमारा नेशन कैसे बड़ा है, कैसे देशभक्ति की भावना, कैसे नेशन स्टेट, तो हमारा एम्पायर बड़ा है। imperialism comes with the word empire, from the word empire. This is the large nation begins to occupy smaller nations, and expand its territories and power. So this is the case study of the Balkan state, and Balkan region was under the control of the Ottoman Empire. You will remember the Ottoman Empire was under the control of the Turkey, and it was the region of geographic and ethnic variations comprising modern day Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Greece, Azerbaijan, and other many states given in your books, which were called the Slavs. You take the screenshot. This is the last part. My mic is today not working properly. I will end this lesson fastly. So what happens? These all states were fiercely jealous of each other. बड़ी भयानक तरीके से ये सब अपने से जड़ते थे। This is the third point. These means what I said कि these all were fiercely jealous of each other, and these were fiercely jealous of each other and wanted to control or expand more and more territory. अब जब आपस में होगा कि हम आगे बढ़ेंगे तो यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं, 4 पावर आ जाते हैं, सब आपस में इसको लड़ने के जीतने के लिए तैयार थे। एंड this became the area of intense conflict, मतलब आपस में हमेशा एक दूसरे से लड़ते रहने का। और 4 पावर यहाँ आते हैं, और यही तो आगे जाके बनता है वर्ल्ड वार 1 का कारण बनता है, जिसमें रसिया, जर्मनी एंड इंग्लैंड, ये 3 जो राष्ट्र थे, तीनों ने क्या किया, इसके ऊपर कब्जा करने, ऑस्ट्रिया एंड हंगरी were keen to control over this region, and this became the cause of World War I. सो दिस इज द एंड ऑफ द लेसन फिनिश हो गया। हम लोग शुरुआत किए नेशन स्टेट से, आते आते इंपीरियलिज्म में आ गए। So I had told you first you take the screenshot of this, or otherwise you can stop the video and write the answer. This is the 5 marks answer. Briefly explain the case study of Balkan region. मेरा माइक जो है कभी भी धोखा दे सकता है. So I am writing some questions. You will copy down that. उसको भी आप लोग लिख लेना. और क्या क्या क्वेश्चन है सब वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, वेरी शॉर्ट फॉर द पॉइंट ऑफ MCQ. द क्वेश्चंस आर कि country with which Frederick Soरे belonged. Second question will be the meaning of nation state. What does nation state mean? Third one is the new name of State General. Fourth is the Jolvarian. I am writing what was Jolvarian. Jolvarian and its formation year. Miss, these are the some important question from the examination of point of view. Treaty of Vienna 1815. Questions answer also I have given, and MCQ I have given many. I had marked there what can be the MCQ, and these were very short answer question. They are also given, and the long answer question I have also given the long answer question, and then comes the large answer, long answer, that also I had given. The briefly explain the process of unification of that Italy, then the unification of the Britain. What kind of conservative regime was set up after 1815? So this is the long answer question. So the lesson is finished. We will meet in the next class. So students, before departing from you, I would like to tell you that you have to watch the videos to take the full benefit of this class. If you are not watching, only you are liking, that is not enough for you. ये enough नहीं होगा कि आप लोग सिर्फ देखो. देखना काफी नहीं है, देखने से उससे ये वो लाइक करना काफी नहीं है, देखना जरूरी है. So we will meet in the next class, and बेल आइकन को तो जरूर पुश कर देना, मेरी नोटिफिकेशन